Okay guys, so this is the most important step. So when you install your shock, you need a couple things. You need your stripper bolt. You need red Loctite, the high strength kind. And you need grease. And then you also need your Allen socket. What you do is you take your grease and you put it on the back of the shock like this, and a little bit inside, and then you also put a little bit on here. So then when you install your bolt in there, you want to make sure you don't get any grease on the threads. And you take your Loctite, take your socket, Alright guys, so now's the hard part. If you're doing this by yourself, you need to have a little bit of upper body strength. You need to lift this door without the help of the shock. So you open it out, and then up, and then you take your shock, and you need to get it right in the right place, and then it just drops down right down in there. So now you need to install the pin at the bottom. So you take your pin and your hammer, and you might need a wrench. And what the wrench is for is to rotate this around so you can get access to the hole where the pin goes in. And then just to make sure, what? So you know it's secured.